Hey there, viewers. Welcome back to the South Main Auto Channel. Got a 2007 Chevrolet. It's the 1500. It's the classic. It needs a transmission. I've already completed step one, which is unhook the battery. Because I imagine it's going to be in here for a while. Plus I wanted to leave it in neutral here so we can roll it over, get the drive shafts unhooked. Now this car has been fluid filled for about the past 5 years, so it's gonna be a little dingy under here. Now on the passenger side here, you've got to take out this oxygen sensor to get to the manifold bolt, or the bolt that holds the pipe on. So we'll see if we can't crack it loose here. Usually you can crack them loose. If the pipe's cold, you can typically spin them out by hand. So we'll find out. It just cracked loose. Yep. Almost. There we go. Just spin this one out, and then you can get to all three of these studs.
Now I got some of that stuff out of the way. We'll get this ship cable popped off. So weird working on a truck that's not completely rotted out. It's weird, man. Come on, baby.
Gonna be a multi-part series, folks. No way around it. I get a little busy at the shop. I get sidetracked doing other things, so I'm just fitting this one in between other jobs. So I'll do the best I can to not make it super long and boring and stupid. But we were able to get the transfer case out over there. We got both drive shafts laying on the ground. Of course, the catalytic converters, cross member, and then you guys see in the video, we drained the transfer case, we drained the transmission so we can send that core back without all the fluid in it. Threw all the bolts in the pan, put that on. And that's it. Tomorrow, if time allows, we'll work on getting the transmission rest way out. We're gonna have to unhook the torque converter, pull the starter. What else? Take the training lines off, and then all the bell housing bolts, and that should be it. I would like to have in the next video have the transmission out, have the new one setting up in there, and then we just got to throw all that crap back on and good to go. So why don't you guys get all good to go in that comment section? Questions, the concerns, the Insta, the Facebook. Stick around for part 2, 3 possibly. And just remember, viewers, if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.